So hi friends, as you can see in the front, that's my setup. Yeah, it's my new setup. So today I will unbox my new setup. It's basically a custom build. I received it yesterday and I built it in a shop in Chandni Chowk. I'll give a link or the address in the description area. So please check it out. They offered some great pricing. So yeah, let's start with today's unboxing. So yeah, this is my setup. I know it's not that powerful. The specs are Core i3 8th generation, which is powerful for me. I don't know about you. This is an incomplete setup, I will say, because I will add another things like major things like GPU, and I will add an extra couple of gig of RAM and some other stuff like LED lighting, which I'll not be able to show you in this setup, as you know, this part is not glass. And so yeah, it's pretty much it. I will definitely leave a link to the parts which I have bought, so that you can buy if you want, and it will help the channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like the unboxing. It was quite simple. As you can see, the front portion. And by the way, the cabinet is the cabinet includes the power supply, which is a 450 watt, I think 80 plus bronze. So yeah, it's not a bad deal at all. And I will leave the pricing of the same specification and the same setup in the description area. The pricing details will be all mentioned there. Initial of that unboxing, which I have seen in the first portion. So yeah, I ran into some troubles which I will discuss with you in the latter part of the video, or maybe I will make a detailed video about the problems which I ran into, maybe a separate video. So okay, let's talk about my system's overall specs. So this is the cabinet. This is actually Zebronics Flare, and it's a decent cabinet, I would say. Not a gaming one, of course. No tempered glass or anything like that. So yeah, so it's decent looking monitors, decent looking cabinet. Sorry, I mean the monitor is this one, of course. Okay, so this is the monitor which I have bought recently. So this is the Acer monitor. This is a basic one. It's a 720p monitor. So let's talk about the specs. The specs are Core i3 8th generation, coupled with 8 GB of RAM and basic H310 chipset motherboard, which is a basic one. Of course, you would require a H310 chipset motherboard to run 8th generation processor, of course, and you can go higher like B360 motherboards or Z370 motherboards, but those are higher options or higher purchase motherboard, higher value motherboard, I mean. Okay, so this combo is mid-range, I would say, for now, but I would have to add a GPU to make it a gaming one, so which I will do, but let me think of my budget. Make this video long, and I will make a Q&A video regarding my processor selection and my motherboard selection and the problems which I ran into in another video. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, as I will be uploading more videos regarding these problems and Q&A. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will upload the next video as soon as possible. So yeah, that's it.